Hello students, welcome to this lecture, and we already know what is a set. Now we are going to study what is a finite set. So the word itself tells you that the elements of the set are finite. So number of elements of a set are finite. For example, if we take a set A which contains number of students in classroom of class 10th in XYZ school. So what does it actually mean? Which means that you can count those number of students of this particular school in this class. So you say that it is a finite set because this value will give you some countable value. But if we take an example, let us say B, and here we are saying that number of natural numbers, let us suppose simplest example. So number of natural numbers obviously which start from 1 then goes to 2, 3, 4 will go till infinity. We cannot stop it at some point. So we say that this is an infinite set because its number of elements are not finite. Thank you students.